So I want to roll with this voodoo flossing thing. So that I was going to show you another mobilization. This is for hips. This is a really neat one because you can do this on your own. Knees you can do them on because you've got two hands. You can do this with trousers. I've got jeans on, but they're stretchy, so it doesn't matter too much. But so if you have any hip pain or like sort of inner groin pain, sometimes we can go like pull something, squatting. I certainly did that in like the early days of training. So take your Voodoo floss band, set it up on the inner part of your leg, and then just compress it down. You'll probably get 4 or 5 wraps around, but again, you're looking for like 70%. Hold on, I'll set it up again. You're looking for about 70% tension on this, so you need to make sure you do it tight enough. So pull it out, 70%, then around, and then wrap it up, and then you should begin to feel like pressure. Now, because I've got a funny thing going on with my right hip, which is a joint issue, so as a result, my left hip takes a beating. So I do this to help alleviate the soreness that comes from just training. So then this, whoa, nice and tight. So you go and put this in underneath the side, so it locks it in. Done. Thereabouts. Okay, and then find an upright, and then all we're trying to do is just pick this up and move this leg forward and back. We are talking at 4 p.m. in the afternoon, so I've been moving since, when was that? 6 a.m. So this should feel, that my body feels best it's going to feel today anyway. But if you go up and out to the sides, and I probably should have done a retest with this, but just forward and back, and whenever I do this, I'll just keep going until I feel like it's done its job. And usually you'll tell, you get this build up of pressure, and that's when you want to stop, obviously, because it'll feel like you need to take it off. That's cool. You listen to that feeling, take it off, undo it, bosh. And then the thing to retest is your squat, okay? So I'm just gonna set that up a little bit lower if you can see. But basically that hips back, knees out, and I should feel, I can tell that there's a nice big difference actually. If you watch there, you see how that left hip is going out further to my right. You should feel remove some restriction. This is another use of the Voodoo floss band. If you've got any more ideas or questions that you want to put in the comments, just go for it. I'll answer them as best I can. All right, guys, cheers.